Today we'll be checking out Slowburn, northeast of London, on Blackhorse Lane. This eclectic space has gained popularity ever since its opening in 2020. The restaurant is located inside the Blackhorse Lane Ateliers Denim factory and takes over the space 3 evenings a week. As we enter, we pass the neatly tucked away sewing machines, materials and patterns on the way to our table. The industrial washing machine is certainly an impressive dinner backdrop. It is a great concept that unites two very different disciplines in one space through the shared values of community and sustainability. The menu puts vegetables into the spotlight and meat on the side, therefore it's a great destination for vegans and vegetarians. The plates are meant for sharing, so you tend to order multiple dishes. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.